In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from your Big Cartel account. Whether you're an artist, a small business owner, or just someone looking to understand this process better, I'll guide you through each step. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Big Cartel's website. This is an easy to use platform designed for artists and small businesses, offering a user-friendly environment for managing your online store. Once you're on the homepage, find the login button and click it. This will bring you to the login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your shop URL and your password. If everything is correct, go ahead and click the login button to access your account. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is your command center on Big Cartel, giving you access to all the tools you need to manage your store. Now find the account section within your dashboard. Click on that, and once inside, scroll down until you see the payment options. This is where you'll set up how you get paid. Look for the section titled Get Paid. In this section, you'll see a link to set up your payment options. Clicking on it will allow you to proceed. At this point, you'll have two main options to choose from, Stripe or PayPal. Make your choice based on what's most convenient for you and your business needs. If you opt for Stripe, click on Connect Stripe. Follow the instructions provided to seamlessly connect your Stripe account to Big Cartel. Alternatively, you can choose PayPal. Click on Connect PayPal, and just like with Stripe, follow the step-by-step guide to complete the connection. Both of these options ensure a secure and efficient way to manage your payments through Big Cartel. Once you have set up either Stripe or PayPal, your account is ready to collect payments from your customers. This is an essential step if you're serious about managing your sales and revenue effectively. Finally, with your payment system in place, you will be able to withdraw the payments you receive with ease. Regularly check your account to manage your funds, and make sure you follow up on any transactions to keep your business finances in order. And there you have it, a streamlined process to withdraw money from your Big Cartel account. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your business transactions run smoothly, allowing